Okay, let's demystify your money. Today's explainer tackles a super simple framework to finally stop stressing over finances. You know, traditional budgeting feels like a miserable diet. It's totally restrictive, overwhelming, and just plain stressful.
But hey, the fix isn't some massive, complicated spreadsheet. It's actually about adopting one simple rule of balance.
Enter the 50-30-20 rule. It's a radically simple financial system originally popularized by Senator Elizabeth Warren.
So instead of tracking every single penny, you just divide your after-tax income into 3 basic buckets.
Let's look at the first bucket. Exactly half of your income is carved out strictly for essential needs.
We're talking absolute survival basics here, like your rent, groceries, utilities, and those minimum debt payments. Living in a super pricey city, your needs might actually push past 50%, but awareness is key.
Now, here's the really fun part. A full 30% goes entirely toward your guilt-free wants.
Dining out, streaming, hobbies, enjoying your hard-earned money makes this a sustainable lifestyle, not financial misery. It totally shifts your mindset. You're replacing random emotional spending with highly intentional, guilt-free fun. Finally, we have the last 20%. This is your powerhouse bucket, dedicated to building future wealth. It strictly separates spending from saving, focusing purely on emergency funds, retirement, and crushing high-interest debt. On a $4,000 monthly income, that's $2,000 for needs, $1,200 for fun, and $800 saved. Consistency is absolute magic here. Investing that $800 monthly can seriously snowball into life-changing wealth. But watch out for traps. The biggest pitfall is mentally justifying a lavish want as a basic need. Like, having a reliable phone is a need, but upgrading to that shiny new model, definitely a want. Another trap? Focusing so heavily on your current lifestyle that your wealth-building bucket stays completely empty. Also, please don't give up when massive unexpected expenses happen. Just take a breath and adjust your ratios. Remember, financial balance isn't an overnight fix. Don't wait for perfection, because messy progress always beats perfection. You hold the actual roadmap to financial freedom now. The only question is, where will your next dollar go?